Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome to the online classes for the academic year 2021 to 2022. So here let us see reading C. I will do it, written by Sudha Murthy. So let us see about Sudha Murthy. So Sudha Murthy is she is the wife of Narayana Murthy. So Infosys had his Infosys head Narayana Murthy. Sudha Murthy, she began her professional career as a scientist. So she is the chairperson of Infosys Foundation. She has founded many orphanages, participated in rural development programs, and she participated in many rural development programs, and she set up some basic equipments for the Karnataka schools. She started some basic amenities for the students in Karnataka schools. Okay, yes, there are like basic equipment like library facilities, okay, and computers and some others. So she teaches computer science also. Yes. So she has written one famous book, and it is taken from that book. How I Taught My Grandmother and Read. Okay. Yes. So this is taken from that book. Yes. So it is a very popular book. So now let us see about this lesson. I will do it. So that she writes about Narayana Murthy, her husband. Actually, Narayana Murthy right from young age. So she was bright. Yes, he was a bright student. He was a very bright student. He was very good at studies. So many students used to ask doubts to him, and even his senior students also used to ask doubts to him. So whenever just somebody asks a doubt to him, so his eyes became very wider, and bright with wider, yeah, and immediately he could solve the problem in no time. He is such a brilliant student at that age. Yes, many students used to approach him to solve their doubts, even senior students also. So actually it could have gone unnoticed. So if he had got a seat in IIT, yeah, nobody knows about this person. It would have gone unnoticed. But this this man is not like that. Yes, he worked very hard and came with flying colors. Yes. So his father actually, let us know about his family. So his father is a high school teacher, and an avid reader of English literature. He is an avid reader of English literature, and Narayan Murthy came from educated family. So all this family is very educated. Of course, their family is very poor. Their family is very poor. Yes. So like all other students here, bright students, he was also trying to join in an engineering college. Yes. So in those days, so getting an engineering seat was very difficult. So that stood because they did not have any facilities. So they had to prepare on their own. They did not have their own study material. So it was very difficult for them. So all the students used to sit below the raised platform, raised mandap, okay, below a tree, and used to study all together. And if anybody asked doubts to him, he would solve within no time. So he would smile shyly and solve within no time. He was a very brilliant student. Yes. So he also applied for IIT. He also applied for IIT. So finally, the D-Day came, the important day came. So he went to Bangalore to write IIT, and he stayed in one of his relatives' house and wrote IIT entrance examination. If somebody asks that how you have written IIT examination, if he says okay, that means it is good. When it comes to food, it is completely different. When it comes to food, if he says it is okay, that means it is very bad. If he says it is good, means it is okay. If he says it is excellent, means it is good, because he doesn't want to hurt anybody. Yes. So that is the nature of Dr. Narayan Murthy, Infosys Narayan Murthy. Okay. Yes. So here finally the results came. So he passed with a high grade, and what a amazing success really he got. So everybody just felt very elated if he was if one was in his position. Yes, he felt also very very happy, and went to his father and expressed and told him, Anna, I have passed. Anna means here just to respect because in Kannada language this word is term Anna. Yes. So he went to his father and said, Anna, I have passed. Yes. Then he was reading newspaper at the time. His father was reading newspaper, and he said, oh, my dear son, well done. Yes. So then he said, I want to join IIT. Yeah. Then he raised up his head and said, my dear son, you know, I have 5 daughters to be married off, and 2 sons also to be married off. Okay. So I can't afford your expenses at IIT. So if you want to study in Mysore, you can study as much as you want. Yes. So indeed, it was very sad thing for any father to say no to his bright boy, but circumstances were like that. Yes, he couldn't agree to that, couldn't accept his proposal. Okay, due to financial problems. Yes. So here, because you have so many family members, it's a single earning member, you have so many family members to depend on. So that was the reason. That was the reason that he could not afford expenses at sons at IIT. Yeah. Yes, that is only the reason. Yes. So just it was really just he got very much disappointed hearing the words of the father saying no. He was very much disappointed, but he did not say anything. His heart was bleeding. His heart was bleeding, but he did not get anger with anybody. Yeah. Basically, he was an introvert. Okay. Yes, introvert means one who hides his feelings within self. Okay, they don't open to outside. So this person, since he was an introvert, so he did not say anything. Just he kept quiet. And the day came, and now all his friends now they were taking a train from Mysore to Chennai to join IIT. Yes, he also went to station to say goodbye to them. So at the station, his friends were already there. So they were talking, they were discussing their hostel facilities and about other things here, what courses should they choose, and everything they were discussing. And but he was not a part of it. He was not a part of it. One person observed this and said, "You should have made it, my dear friend." He said, but Murthy did not say anything because he could not have made it due to financial problems. Yes, he did not say anything. Yes. So here he was standing there, even though the train left. He could not see, he could no longer see the waving hands. even though he could not see the waving hands, but he was still waiting. So the monsoon was setting, and there was drizzling of rain, and she was standing there in the rain at the time, thinking about his career. Yes, yes. So after that, he went home, and he thought of himself. Okay, so many students, bright students from IIT, so they do big things after joining in IIT. But finally, it is not the institution; it is you who can who can change your life ultimately. Yes, maybe he is not aware of the philosophy in Bhagavad Gita. The best friend is yours, and the worst enemy is yours. Okay, it is the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita, and he understands that philosophy very much. Yes. So, and after that, he focused on his studies, and he did not bother about his own comforts, personal comforts, and all that. He worked, and he did not depend on anybody, and after that he grew up on his own, and he did not use any his political uh, uh, his political touchings to with anybody to grow up in his life. Yes. So he grew up on his own, and finally he became the pioneer of in that information technology. He became the pioneer of information technology. After that, here this person just later on started a big industry, that is software industry, and he set up many of his companies all over the world. Yes, now he's popular. He became popular all over the world as a pioneer of software industry. So that person is none other than Nagavarava Ramaram Narayanamurthy. Okay, yes. So that is all about this greatest personality. So he grew up because of his skills, and not because of other things. Okay, like taking help from others, and he doesn't know about all these things. Even he did not use his caste also to grow up in his life. Yes. So that is the greatness of this great person, Narayana Murthy. So thank you very much for listening, and we will meet with some more topics next time. Thank you very much.